DJ.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mario Galdos, your bald guy with the bow tie from the Triton Group at Legacy Mutual Mortgage, bringing you your tip of the week with an invitation to our class next week, next Tuesday at the T. Blackwell Insurance office in Garden Ridge, Texas, from 11:30 to 12:30, and how to build your dream home. Reality is that we're going to teach you how to stay in your home and make it your dream home. Right now, with the market as wild as it is, we want to create some alternative solutions for you in the event that you're really just needing to update, renovate, restore, maybe add an extra room onto your existing property. So that way you can live a little bit more comfortably up until the point where you're able to sell and buy another home that might be an upgrade for you. And so, again, we want to invite you out here. We're trying to create solutions. Realtors out there who might be watching this, please feel free to invite your clients that might have been on the fence and just saying, hey, I need to take a break, but I do need to have some improvements done to my home. Hey, maybe I need to consolidate some debts. Maybe we need to just pull some cash out for purchasing another investment property, because we know that these prices aren't going to stay low for too long. So again, if you have any questions, give us a call. We'd love to see you. We're going to be joined by Rita Bernal from Frost Bank, who's going to be teaching the class for us, again, at the T. Blackwell Insurance office in Garden Ridge, Texas. Give us a call if you have any questions, or to RSVP 210-476-5523. You can visit us online at TritonGroupHomeLoans.com or send us an email to TritonGroup@LegacyMutual.com. Have an amazing weekend. We'll talk to you soon.
DJ.